What's up, you guys? It's Ari. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ari if you're new here. And today is another Scene Saturday video. Today is Scene Saturday number 2. Scene Saturday is something that I recently started. I used to only upload every Wednesday, but I decided I wanted to start uploading twice a week. So I have my normal uploads on Wednesday, and then on Saturdays I do Scene Saturday, which is just where I post a more chill video, more laid back. Sometimes they're shorter, and it's basically just a video I want to do just for fun or just for you guys that isn't really like designed to get views and likes and everything. It's just kind of for fun and just to like hang out with my audience. What we're doing today is I won a giveaway from this brand. It's like a small business and it's called Not Candy, and they make jewelry. So first of all, I got it in the mail. Their packaging is so cute. Like, okay, work. I would literally love it. Yeah, anyways, let's just open them. Okay, okay. So I'm just gonna pull them out randomly. Y'all are not ready. I'm amazed. Okay, wait, I'm so excited. I'm gonna put them all on. Not at the same time, like I'm gonna try them on. This is so, oh my goodness, you guys, I'm obsessed. I'm so excited right now. I'm shaking. Am I excited or am I like sick right now? I need more spikes in my life. I only have one thing with spikes on it because they're so expensive and I can never find them. Wait, how am I supposed to put this on? I can't see. Oh, I guess I could just put it on and then turn it. It's fine. I'll just do it backwards and suffer. Okay, it doesn't really work when I have braids, but oh my goodness. My family's gonna hate this. I should wear this to Thanksgiving. Okay, so this is the first thing. It's this red choker. It's super spiky. The spikes are like, I don't even know. How long is that? Like 2 inches long? They're super, super long. It's super adjustable. Like, let me turn it around so that you can see. My hair's getting caught in it. So it has, it's like a belt. That's how you adjust the size. Actually goes really small. I could probably go a bit smaller. Eva likes to wear hers a little like loose. I like mine to be super, super tight because I don't like when they sag. But I have a really small neck for some reason. And so most chokers are way big on me. So I do really appreciate that this can go small enough to actually fit on my neck. And then it hides pretty well when you wear it. You could wear it in the front, like if that's the look you're going for, but I like that you really can't see it when you're wearing it. It hides well in the back. I don't recommend wearing it with braids because they keep getting caught on them, like in between them. But y'all, oh my goodness, and it kind of goes with my shirt because it's like red. Oh my goodness, hi. Okay, what's next? I'll pull it out at random. Whoa, 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 multicolored. Okay. This choker, it has like spikes, but then they stop. Like they're not spikes. It's like gonna be a spike, but then it's not. So it has that buckle thingy in the, I assume, the front, and then it has the same type of thingy in the back as that one did, like to put it on. A little different, but basically the same. It is half black and half pink, so it's like, y'all, okay, we're putting this on. Okay, so again, I have a small neck, so it's kind of sagging. I'm pretty sure I could have done it tighter. I can't really see it very well. Well, feel it very well, but I couldn't see it too well when I was trying to put it on. But like, imagine that it fits me. That's cute. I feel like a cat. Like, I hate it when people are like, you're wearing a choker, you look like a dog wearing a collar. Like, shut up. It doesn't look like a dog. This one, low-key, I feel like a cat. I think it's because of the little ring. Like, I feel like I should attach a bell to this or something. Oh my gosh, I should like do a video where I just transform myself into my cat. But yeah, I like this one. I am holding it so that it fits, but I just didn't put it on tight enough. I have never seen anything with spikes that aren't spikes. I don't know what you would call these because they're not even like studs, really. Maybe that's what you call them. But I really like that this is half black and half pink, and I love the neon, like, because my favorite thing, I posted about this on Instagram in one of my captions really recently, like my favorite thing is like black and neon, and so I love that it's black and neon pink, and then they have like the neon yellowish green, because neon pink and neon green are my favorite neon colors. This one also goes pretty small. Like, that's pretty small. That's like the size of my neck. That's like the size of my neck. Okay, I'm blindly just pulling things out of here. Okay, I'm not gonna show you till it's on, okay? This, look at how cute it is. Oh my goodness. So it's the same as the other one where it's like attached to the little ring at the front. This one is like kind of thicker, I think. It might not be, and I'm just making this up, but it feels like the ring is less like prominent, so I do feel a little bit less like a dog. But okay, It also, so it's like neon green, kind of neon yellow, neon green, like Eva likes to wear. I'm just gonna keep talking about Eva. This is Eva, by the way. Follow her on Instagram. But yeah, and then it has black spikes. Like, I don't know how to get a good camera angle on this, but it has black spikes. Oh my gosh, this is like one of my favorites. I wonder if I could just, that's kind of weird to wear like that, but okay. Also, not candy, like not all, but like most of their jewelry, this piece of hair, most of their jewelry is like really brightly, like it's like neon and stuff. I'm not explaining it well, but it's like my exact aesthetic. So that's why I'm obsessed with them now. All right, next thing. Ooh. Hey, okay. So this is a choker, but it's like a chain but also a choker, but like, you know. Also, I really like that all of their chokers have this buckle on the back. Like, it makes it so easy to adjust, and they literally have such a huge like size range with these buckles. Let me show you. Okay, so if you look at the size range, the biggest one is literally this. Like, I could fit my whole head in there. So I think that's really cool, because most chokers are either like, most chokers only fit like 3 neck sizes. I don't know if neck size is a thing, but if it is, most chokers only fit about 3. And then the smallest one is right there, which is like super tiny. It's like a bracelet almost. Well, it's not, it's like 2 bracelets, but that's probably my neck size. So I really do appreciate that about this brand. Okay, so because my neck is so small, you can kind of see the thingy coming out the side, but this is one I think I could wear more loose because it does have a chain on it anyway, so it's kind of like a necklace. But yeah, so it's a choker slash necklace, I guess. And then on the front, instead of hooking the like plasticky, like leather plastic, it's not leather, but it's like leather, it's like plastic. Instead of hooking the normal choker parts together, it hooks a chain between the two, and then it has this little charm on it. But then it has this little charm on it. It's a little fire. They have quite a few items that have like the fire on it, or different, just like different charms on it. So okay, so that was all of the jewelry that they sent me. Now there's just other stuff in here, so like let's see what else is in here. Okay, well this is, I'm not gonna show it, but like it's just like a really cute little note from the person who runs the store, so that's nice. We got stickers. Wait, I hear something else. I hear something. There's a chain in here. Hey, okay, hold on, let me put it on. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna put it on. This is a chain. You can wear it as anything you want, like necklace. Ready? I will put it on. Give me a minute. See? It's like a little chain necklace, and it has the same fire charm, but instead of it being metal, it's like the kind of like neon color, and it's see-through. Okay, that's kind of, oh, I feel kind of cute. That's kind of cute, actually. I kind of feel like a hype beast. I don't know what that word means, actually. This is something that I would actually wear on my pants, okay? When I was in middle school, I was obsessed with wearing chains on my pants, but I couldn't afford chains, so I literally had a dog chain, like that you put on like a dog, like as a collar, and I wore it on my pants. So I have a feeling I'm gonna be wearing this on my pants. Okay, now I think that's all the jewelry. There's a bunch of like stickers, I think, so let's get all of them out. Oh my gosh, there's a pin. There's a pin. I got a Not Candy pin. Oh my gosh, okay, cute. Okay, I have a battle jacket, well, a battle vest, and so it's like covered in pins and stuff, and I recently kind of took some of the pins off, but I do want to do like a pin collection video, and I was talking to a sponsor for that video, and then they were like, psych, just kidding, we're not doing sponsorships. And I was like, then why did you just talk to me for a week about it? But anyways, I'll add this to my little, my pin, my jacket. I'm so tired. Okay, what else? I got tons of stickers, okay? So there's 4 of these. Should I put the, okay, no, Ari, you're not putting stickers on your new car. I had to get a new car because my car completely broke. It got totaled, basically, which was really sad. It was a Subaru, and I really liked it. But I had stickers on it, but now I have a new car, and it's, like, actually a nice car, kind of. It has Bluetooth, so I consider it a really nice car. It also doesn't have a big dent in the door, and the windows actually work. So I'm not putting stickers on it, because, like, I don't know. But anyways, I got 4 Not Candy stickers, just little ones, that I'll probably be giving to like friends or whatever, and putting all over my room. Wait a minute, oh my gosh, we're at the sticker wall. Okay, I'm gonna add these to the sticker wall. And then I got 2 of these ones that are bigger. I'm gonna put one of these on the sticker wall too, and they're like holographic. Oh my god, cute. It's like a Snapchat filter. Wait, okay, imagine these are smaller and it's on your cheeks. Snapchat filter. Not Candy, get on that. Make a Snapchat filter. Okay, so that is everything from the Not Candy package. Thank you so much, Not Candy, for sending me these things. And I won my first giveaway, I guess. When they DM'd me, I was like, girl, wait, what? Do you mean I won? Because, like, I never won a giveaway before. I'm super happy that I got all these things. I'm going to be wearing them. I'm going to be letting Eva wear them because we share clothes anyway. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I feel like this video could have been a normal video, but I wanted to do it as a Scene Saturday video because I do like a lot of, I don't know, like not unboxings, but like I do a lot of collections and like showing clothes and jewelry and things, and I'm pretty sure this week's Wednesday video was my jewelry collection. I will link that in the description if you want to watch my jewelry collection and see my cleaver necklace and other stuff and like where I got it from. But I don't know, I just felt like this was more chill, and it was a giveaway. It wasn't sponsored or anything, so I wanted to like kind of just sit down and be like, y'all, I want a giveaway, like let's see what I got, as opposed to like doing a formal video showing you things that I bought or that were sent to me. Leave a like on the video if you liked the video so that I know and I can make more videos like this, and comment down below your favorite small businesses. Also, I'm looking specifically for mask small businesses, so if you know small businesses that make masks, but comment down below your favorite small businesses or Etsy shops. I am going to be putting Not Candy, like their Instagram, their shop, everything in the description if you want to check them out. And also, I do have a friend who has an Etsy shop, so I'm probably going to link that in there just because I love her and her Etsy shop is cute. But yeah, comment down below your favorite little like small shops, small creators, even if it's an Etsy shop or someone who like sells through Depop or Instagram. Oh my gosh, wait, I know people who sell on Depop too. Okay, I'm gonna link a few cute small businesses in the description. You can also subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and if you are interested in more content around like scene or like fashion style type videos, I have a whole playlist about like clothing and style and fashion, and I have like hauls and collection videos on there with clothes and jewelry and things, so that will also be linked in the description. I love you guys so much, stay safe, and I will see you on the street. Peace out, bye.
I'm lying on the ground again, there's something